Hey guys, what's going on? I had a request to take a look at Aptos, so that's what I'll do. But before I get into it, a couple things. Number one, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release these new TA videos, click subscribe, click the bell, and then click on all. Also, if you want a place to trade Aptos and pretty much any of the other coins that I talk about, I put a link in the pinned comment and the description to two different exchanges. The first one is called BitGet. That's the one I've been using for the last few months. But unfortunately, at the end of September, KYC is going to be required. So if you prefer to trade on an exchange that doesn't require you to submit any of your personal documents, I found an alternative. It's called BingX, and they reached out to me and they offered you guys some really good bonuses, sign-up bonuses. So click the link if you want to see what the bonuses are. But yeah, they're pretty reasonable. Other exchanges, they say, oh, you'll get $30,000 for free, but you have to deposit like $250,000 to get that. But with this one, even with a relatively small deposit, you can get a pretty good bonus, right? So check that out if you want to. And yeah, I'll just get into the analysis. So Aptos, honestly, there's nothing too exciting about this. It's taken the form of a falling wedge. This is typically a bullish reversal pattern. If you want to trade Aptos, I recommend that you draw these lines, okay? So the first one's going to be a horizontal line. Identify this peak right here and paste the horizontal line just above these candle bodies, okay? So you see it was resistance right here, resistance right here. We broke above it. We came back to retest. So this was the key level. Okay, the candle body closed above it. Once the bulls were able to defend this level with the candle body here, that's what basically kicked off the bull run all the way up here. So all the way up to almost $20. And ever since then, yeah, we've been retracing in the form of a falling wedge. Okay, so just recently, this horizontal line, we broke below it, which is unfortunate, but we got support at the lower support line of the wedge. We bounced off of that. See, we wicked right off of it. And now this is a good sign. We're just broken back above this horizontal line, right? So you see it did serve as a resistance right here. Price came above it. Bears came in, pushed it down. Candle body closed below it. That was a bearish sign. You see the following candle, we came all the way back down here to just over $5. But this daily candle had a strong finish. We broke above this horizontal line. Resistance broken. Following day came back to retest it. And here we are. So far, so good. So the next level of resistance beyond this is going to be right here. Okay, so the previous support level here that held for about a week, I anticipate that if the price continues upwards, this level here is going to be the resistance. If we're able to start closing a daily candle above here, I would maybe look to target this downsloping level of resistance from the falling wedge. But that being said, I should point out that personally, I'm not trading Aptos until we're able to break above this downsloping level of resistance. It's just not exciting to me right now. Actually, I take that back. If the price does come back up to this downsloping level of resistance, this long-standing trend line dating back to the start of the year, I may look to enter a short with a tight stop loss placed just above it, and then that'll probably give me a pretty good risk-reward ratio on the trade. But for longs, I'm just going to wait until we break this. There's no sense in me trading Aptos right now when we have so many other altcoins that have already broken out of this pattern. Now, don't get me wrong, this pattern is a bullish reversal pattern, but it looks like this one just needs a little bit more time, right? Now, if the price does break this downsloping level of resistance, the first big target that I'm going to look to is going to be right here. So this is a range between $7.83 up to $7.94. So what that would theoretically look like, maybe a price break, come back, retest it. And if the retest holds the support, I will likely enter along, place my stop loss just below this line and below the wick where we had the retest. And then this is where I would likely target. Okay, this would be my take profit. And that trade would likely give me a really good risk reward ratio, maybe something like 1-5 or 1-8, something like that, all the way up here. So yeah, that's just a quick analysis of Aptos per request. Hopefully you found that helpful. And yeah, this is just how I'm going to play it. Once again, to summarize, if the price comes up to this downsloping level of resistance, potential short with this tight stop loss. If, however, it breaks through, maybe buy the retest, target this region right here. And obviously, if the price does break out of here, I'm going to do update videos on Aptos because at that point it's going to look pretty exciting, and I'll give you higher targets beyond this first level of major resistance that I just mentioned. Anyway, guys, hopefully that helped. And once again, if you're not subscribed, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all if you want to get notified when I release new videos. And also I put a link to two exchanges in the pinned comment and the description. One is going to require KYC in about 2 weeks. The other, no KYC and some really good sign-up bonuses. Anyway, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.